Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best setting sprays are probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products in any makeup routine, acting as the final, magical step to lock in your look and ensure it stays flawless from morning to night, preventing everything from creasing and fading to unwanted shine and transfer, making them an indispensable tool for anyone who wants their makeup to perform at its peak, no matter the occasion or duration. Number 5. TIRTIR Mask Fit Makeup Fixer. Introducing the TIRTIR Mask Fit Makeup Fixer. Achieve a flawless look that lasts all day. Enjoy makeup that stays put for up to 24 hours. It resists transferring, so your look remains perfect. Experience its incredibly lightweight and non-greasy feel. It sets your makeup without feeling heavy. This spray is designed to effortlessly set your makeup. It ensures your foundation and other products stay in place. Get a beautiful, lasting finish with this makeup fixer. It's your secret to a perfect complexion from morning to night. What we like? This one offers incredible 24-hour transfer resistance, keeping your makeup flawless all day. Its lightweight and non-greasy formula ensures comfort. If you need makeup that stays put through anything, this is your go-to. What people say? It sets makeup for a long time. It is a good product for setting makeup. It helps makeup stay on for hours. Number 4. Jerome Alexander MagicMinerals AirFinish Setting Spray. Discover the revolutionary setting spray from Jerome Alexander. Achieve a flawless, matte finish that lasts all day. Enjoy makeup that stays put from morning to night. This spray ensures your look remains impeccable without fading. Experience the incredibly lightweight formula. You'll forget you're even wearing it, yet the results are undeniable. Get that perfect, airbrushed look with a beautiful matte finish. It blurs imperfections for a smooth complexion. Lock in your makeup effortlessly. This setting spray is your secret to a confident, long-lasting, and beautiful appearance. What we like? Experience a truly weightless feel with a flawless matte finish that lasts. It provides a smooth, perfected look without feeling heavy. For those who desire a matte complexion that endures, this is an excellent choice. What people say? This setting spray is amazing. It keeps my makeup on all day and night, and it doesn't feel sticky or heavy on my skin. I love the fine mist spray. It distributes the product evenly without making my face look wet or patchy. It has a subtle, pleasant scent that isn't overpowering and fades away quickly. Number 3. NYX Professional Makeup Matte Setting Spray. Achieve a flawless, matte finish that lasts. This setting spray locks your makeup in place for up to 16 hours. Enjoy makeup that stays put all day and night. Its long-lasting formula ensures your look remains impeccable. Say goodbye to shine and hello to a perfect matte look. It controls oil and keeps your face looking fresh. Feel good about what you're putting on your skin. This product features a completely vegan formula. From morning to night, your makeup will stay flawless. Experience confidence with extended wear. This mist is your secret weapon for makeup that won't budge. It sets your foundation, concealer, and powder perfectly. What we like? Achieve a perfect matte finish that lasts for up to 16 hours. This vegan formula is kind to your skin and your conscience. If you're looking for extended wear with a matte effect and prefer vegan products, consider this option. What people say? This setting spray is amazing. It keeps my makeup on all day and night. I love how it makes my makeup look so natural and not cakey at all. It has a very fine mist that distributes evenly on the face. Number 2. E.L.F Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. Tired of your makeup fading? Introducing a revolutionary mist designed to keep your look flawless all day long. Experience incredible 16-hour wear time that ensures your makeup stays put from morning to night. No more touch-ups needed. This microfine mist not only sets your makeup but also hydrates and refreshes your skin. Enjoy a comfortable, dewy finish. Feel good about your beauty choices. This product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with ethical standards. Achieve a seamless finish with its ultra-fine spray. It blends effortlessly into your makeup for a natural, radiant glow. It's the perfect addition to your beauty routine for long-lasting, beautiful results. Make it your go-to for confidence that lasts. What we like. This microfine mist provides hydration and sets your makeup for up to 16 hours. It feels refreshing on the skin while ensuring longevity. If you want a hydrating spray that keeps your makeup looking fresh and lasting long, this is ideal. What people say. This setting spray is amazing. It keeps my makeup on all day and doesn't feel sticky. I love how fine the mist is. It sets my makeup without disturbing it. It gives a nice dewy finish and makes my makeup look fresh for hours. Number 1. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Facial Spray. Quench your skin's thirst with this ultrafine mist. It provides an instant burst of hydration, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Achieve that coveted dewy glow with ease. This mist not only hydrates but also enhances your makeup for a radiant, luminous finish. Experience a soothing sensation with every spritz. It's perfect for refreshing dry skin throughout the day, no matter your skin type. Infused with hyaluronic acid and hibiscus AHA, it gently works to improve skin texture. Enjoy the benefits of natural ingredients for a healthier complexion. Formulated to be gentle and effective, it's suitable for everyone. Enjoy its hydrating and refreshing properties, regardless of your skin's needs. Make it a part of your daily routine for consistently hydrated and glowing skin. It's the perfect pick-me-up for a radiant look anytime. What we like. Achieve a beautifully dewy makeup look with this ultrafine facial spray. It's packed with hydrating ingredients to refresh dry skin. If you love a radiant, glowing finish and need an extra boost of moisture, this is perfect for you. What people say. This setting spray is amazing. It keeps my makeup on all day and night, and it doesn't feel sticky or heavy on my skin. I love how this setting spray gives my makeup a dewy finish without making it look greasy. It also helps to blend my makeup together seamlessly. This setting spray is a game changer for my oily skin. It keeps my makeup from sliding off, even in humid weather. It also has a light, refreshing scent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.